Hey everyone, welcome back to Byte. If you are someone who wants to earn money while you sleep, automate income, and create something sustainable using artificial intelligence, this video is your goldmine. Today, I am going to walk you through 7 powerful passive income streams that you can actually start right now, using free or low-cost AI tools. These are not vague work-from-home ideas. These are actual systems smart people are using in 2025 to make money while doing less. Let us dive straight into it. Do you know blogs still generate thousands of dollars per month in affiliate and ad revenue? But the game has changed. You do not need to be a writer anymore. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to write full blog posts. Pair it with Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer to rank on Google. Use WordPress plus RankMyth to automate publishing. Monetize through Google AdSense, Amazon affiliates, or digital product links. One-time setup. Content keeps bringing in views and money passively. You do not need to show your face or record your voice. Use AI, Synthesio, or Flicky to create videos from scripts. ChatGPT can write the script. 11 Labs can do realistic voiceovers. Pick a niche like finance, motivation, or tech trends. Monetize with YouTube AdSense plus affiliate links. Bonus: YouTube Shorts plus long-form strategy multiplies traffic. Use Midjourney or Ideogram AI to create stunning t-shirt or mug designs. Upload them to Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify plus Etsy. Promote using AI-written Pinterest pins or TikTok. When someone buys, you make money without handling inventory. Design once, earn forever. Use ChatGPT to generate planning templates, finance trackers, business models. Design them neatly in Notion. Sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or Notion marketplaces. People love digital organization, and AI makes it quick. Pick a niche: productivity, investing AI guides, crypto basics. Ask ChatGPT to write you a 5,000-word ebook. Use Canva plus Bookbolt to design. Sell it on Amazon, KDP, Payhip, or bundle with your website. One book, many buyers. Lifetime passive cash flow. Using bots is no longer limited to pros. Try platforms like Stoic AI, Kronos Research, or build your own strategy with ChatGPT Code Interpreter. Backtest on TradingView. Deploy with Binance API. It is risky, but if done wisely, it can give you consistent returns. Remember, start with paper trading. Learn the system, then scale. Create a niche review site using AI. Automate posting with WordPress. Use ChatGPT plus Ahrefs to find keywords. Link to high-paying affiliate programs, SaaS, finance, AI tools. Add AI-generated images. Once indexed, traffic turns to commissions every month. There you have it. 7 real AI-powered passive income streams. None of these are get-rich quick tricks, but with consistency and the right tools, you can build something that grows quietly while you focus on bigger things. If any of these resonated with you, tell me in the comments which one you are going to try. And if you want me to do a full tutorial on any of these, hit the like button and subscribe to Byte. Let us turn your digital time into financial freedom, one AI stream at a time. See you in the next one.